Hi, everybody. Welcome to week 7. This week, you'll notice that the modules are pretty sparsely sort of populated with assignments because it's an important week to get the comparative analysis first draft completed and also catch up on past due assignments that are keeping your grade down. So this week, our focus is completing the first draft of the comparative analysis. We'll complete pre-writing and organizing exercises and spend our class time on Tuesday working on the first draft. We'll read a scholarly article on writing blocks. The assignment load is very light this week, so please use the extra time that leaves in your work schedule to get caught up on missing assignments. Prioritize papers, of course, and then journals, quizzes, and the midterm if you are behind. By the end of this week, what you will have done is some pre-writing and organizing for the comparative analysis paper, first draft of that comparative analysis paper, some reading on writing blocks, and hopefully some catching up on your past due assignments if you have them. So I would just kind of like you to see how that is all laid out over the week. So Tuesday, the first draft of the comparative analysis is due at midnight. Wednesday, the reading is due. And then Thursday, we're going to talk about comparative analysis, but also time and task management, just to kind of get us like in the right mindset to finish strong and get the past due assignments completed. And then on Friday, we'll just do a review of the week. So yeah, about half as much as I normally ask you to do this week. I'm going to see you on Tuesday in class, but anybody whose grade is under 70, please, please, please come to office hours tomorrow, or the check-in, I should say. I have sent you an invitation to that, and at 2 o'clock tomorrow, or between 2 and 3, I'll try to get in touch with you and try to do a check-in with you to see how it's going and make a plan to help you prioritize the assignments you need to get in this week. And of course, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me anytime. I'll usually get back to you within a few hours. Okay, see you Tuesday or sooner.